Hi everyone, we're going to find the angle of elevation of the sun. Just remember the angle of elevation is when you're looking up. So you're looking up, so it should be here. And so the sun would be here. And we want to find this angle, and let's call that alpha. So alpha equals the angle of elevation. So I'll just put the elevation. Angle of elevation. Alright. And a building is 300 feet. So this goes here. And we want to know what the shadow length is. So here's your shadow length right here. And so to find the angle, this shadow actually, no, that's not the shadow. This is the length. The shadow is going to be here. So that's your shadow right here. And we want this angle here. So basically, we have opposite. So it's opposite over adjacent to the angle. So tan of alpha equals opposite over adjacent. Therefore, tan of alpha, opposite is 300 over 500, or 50. So we're going to inverse this, and alpha equals inverse tan. I'm going to reduce that to 6. So alpha is about, the angle of elevation is about 80.5 degrees. And that's all. Thank you.